Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to unblock someone on Facebook if you block the person. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log in into your Facebook account. Once you're there, you simply click on this three dot here. So after which you click on what? Settings. Once you get here, you will simply need to scroll down and you are going to see unblocking. Sorry, you are going to see blocking. After that, you click on it. It is going to take you to another page that is your blocking list. So guys, these are the various people I've blocked on Facebook. So if I want to unblock one, I'm simply going to click on what? Unblock. After that, I'll click on what? Unblock. So if I want to unblock another person again, I'll simply do the same thing. So guys, that is actually the way you unblock someone on Facebook if you have blocked the person. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below, and this method also works for Facebook Live. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.